welcome back to Spice and Slice where food tells a story. Today we are making one of India's most loved comfort food, Rajma Masala. Soft Rajma, rich and flavorful gravy and that's homely aroma. Trust me, once this Rajma is ready, everyone in the house will ask, Rajma chawal kab mil raha hai? So let's start this delicious story. First, take overnight soaked Rajma. Soaking is very important because this helps the Rajma cook faster and makes it easier to digest. Now boil the Rajma until it is soft and perfectly cooked. You should be able to press it easily between your fingers. If Rajma is soft, your curry will be smooth and creamy. No hard bites please. While the Rajma is cooking, let's prepare everything else. Chop the onions finely, nice and neat. Now take a blender and add ginger, garlic, green chili and tomatoes. Blend everything into a smooth puree. This puree is the real base of our Rajma gravy, so make sure it's well blended. Now take a cooker and heat mustard oil. Let the oil heat properly until it reaches smoking point. Then lower the flame. This step removes the raw taste of mustard oil and gives authentic flavor. Add jeera and a pinch of hing. Listen to the cracking sound. That's when you know the magic has started. Add the chopped onions and cook them until they turn light golden. Take your time here. Good onion cooking means good gravy. If onions are cooked well, your Rajma will taste rich and balanced. Now add the ginger, garlic, green chili and tomato puree. Mix everything well and cook on medium flame. Cook until the raw smell disappears and the mixture becomes and glossy. This step needs patience, but trust me, it's totally worth it. Now it's time to add the spices. Add turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala and salt. Mix well and roast the masala properly. Keep stirring so the masala doesn't stick. When oil starts separating from the sides, pause for a second and smile because this means your masala is cooked perfectly. Now add the boiled Rajma into the cooker. Mix gently so the Rajma gets nicely coated with the masala. Already smelling amazing, right? Add water according to the gravy you like. Close the cooker and give whistles according to your cooker until the Rajma becomes soft and the gravy turns thick and creamy. Open the lid carefully and wow, look at that color, that texture, that aroma. Pure comfort food. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. This adds freshness and makes the dish look even more inviting. Serve hot with steamed rice, papad, curd and fresh salad. One bite and you will feel like you are eating at home, no matter where you are. Rajma is not just tasty, it's also very healthy. It's rich in protein, keeps you full for a long time and gives you energy without feeling heavy. Perfect for lunch, dinner or even weekend special meals. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Spice and Slice where food tells a story. Your support means a lot and motivates me to bring more tasty and healthy recipes for you. Tell me in the comments, do you enjoy Rajma more with rice or roti? Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next delicious food story. Until then, keep cooking, keep smiling and enjoy homemade food.